Hello, so we're gonna unbox the Hurom slow juicer. So we got here this machine. This part, you just put it inside and you hear the sound of a click and it's stashed. The wire goes here, as you can see. Make sure you remove all the packing. And now, it's a little bit tricky, but you need to make sure how to do it. This part goes inside. Not a big deal, just a click sound, and then this will go in here first. Just rotate it, and then it's all there. Put it inside, and then you hear a click sound. This is the cup, juice it. This is the glass. You put it here, and we got a little cleaner here to clean it all the mess after you are done with your juices. I'm making the kale and pineapple juice with the slow juicer of Hurom. Let's see. This is one of the best amazing machines I have ever used. The quality is so good. The machinery inside is so heavy metal, very user friendly, and let's see how it works. So I'm gonna make the kale and pineapple juice with my new slow juicer. I'm very thankful to Hurom for sending me this. Yeah, let's try it on. You can put it inside with this, or just dump it inside. Let's see how it works. Oops. You have to close it. It won't work until you open it. And now you can open it. It opens. It's a safety hazard. You have to close it, and then yeah, just put it inside. Put it inside. I love my kale and pineapple juice. As you can hear, there's barely any sound. It's very quiet. I don't know how quiet it is. And then once it's done, see my kale and pineapple juice, you can just close the knob like this and there's no dripping. Voila! My kale and pineapple juice.